morning, students. Good morning, standard. This is civics period. Okay. Lesson number 1. Our life in society. Let us see question answers. We had already done the lesson yesterday, and now let us solve question answers. But before that, let us see the summary of this lesson. Okay. Let us see the summary of this lesson. In the course of thousands of years, man had evolved from wandering means nomadic, okay, way of life to a settled social life. A stable and secure community life is necessary for the development of individual and society. Stable means sthir, and secure means security, safety. Okay. When man had realized there was security in living in a group, people came together to develop an organized way of life. This was the motivation for the creation of society. है ना? इस तरह से क्या हो गया? हमारा समाज तैयार हो गया. Right. Man felt need for rules for the smooth functioning of social life. Man's social life was earlier regulated by customs, traditions, values, and later by the laws. Okay. Man is social by nature, who likes to live with others. हमें एक अकेले रहना पसंद है क्या? नहीं, हमें एक दूसरे के साथ रहना पसंद है. Right. Fulfilling of physical needs of food, clothing and shelter brings stability in our life. हमारे जीवन में स्थिरता कैसे आती है? Fulfilling of our physical needs. Okay, physical needs, food, clothing and shelter. Our emotional and psychological needs are fulfilled by living in a family and spending time with relatives and friends. हमारी जो इमोशनल और साइकोलॉजिकल नीड्स है वो किस तरह से फुलफिल होती है? By living in a family, किसके साथ रह के? फैमिली के साथ रह के, and spending time, और किसके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करके? with relatives and friends. Okay, there is mutual dependence within the society, as no individual can by himself fulfill all the needs. कोई भी इंडिविजुअल अपनी जरूरतें अकेला पूरी नहीं कर सकता. Right? We gradually learn language. Our ability to think and express thoughts and emotions develop in the society. Our artistic skills, यानी हमें जो कला कौशल या फिर हमें जो गुण है to develop as we receive encouragement from others. हमें अगर प्रोत्साहन मिलता है तो वो और क्या हो सकते हैं? डेवलप हो सकते हैं. The society includes all people, men and women, boys and girls, elderly and young ones. It also includes यानी किसका समावेश होता है? Okay, it also includes various groups, institutions and organizations. Interrelationship and interaction among the individuals and groups to take place within the society. The society is formed when people come together to achieve certain common objective. Once again, I repeat the same sentence. The society is formed when people come together to achieve certain common objective, common goals. Okay, Lakshya. Permanent system is essential to fulfill the basic needs of every individual and for the continued existence of the society. Evolving institutional arrangements ensure stability in the society. Okay. Now let us start to solve question answers. Page number 61. Page number 61. Man felt the need for rules. What is the answer? Rules. Rules for the day-to-day affairs of society to run smoothly. Then number 2, dash helps the development of people's talents. What is the answer? Society. What is the answer? Society helps the development of people's talents. Number 3, we all have some emotional and some needs. And answer is we all have some emotional and some psychological needs. Okay, some emotional and some psychological needs. What is the answer? Psychological needs. Okay, what is the spelling of psychological? PSYCHOLOGICAL. PHYCHOLOGICAL. Psychological. Okay, psychological needs too. Now, answer in one sentence. Which are our basic needs? Page number 62. पेज नंबर 60 ब्लू जिसमें दिया हुआ है उसके नीचे जो पैराग्राफ है, यू नो दैट फूड, क्लोथ, शेल्टर, एजुकेशन एंड हेल्थ आर अवर बेसिक नीड्स. व्हाट इज द आंसर? सी पेज नंबर 16 लेफ्ट साइड ब्लू पैराग्राफ के नीचे की लाइन. ओके, you know that food, clothes, shelter, education and health are our basic needs. Then next question, which company do we like? Page number 59. See page number 59. Which company do we like? See, answer is given in the right side last paragraph. Page number 59, right side last paragraph, and at the end sentence, we like the companionship of our family members, relatives and friends. Okay, mark it. Mark it. Then next question, what opportunities does society provide us with? Society हमें कौन सी opportunity provide करती है? Now you just listen the answer. ये आंसर जो है वो 60 नंबर के जो पेज नंबर 60 ये जो पैराग्राफ है ब्लू लाइन कलर के नीचे उसमें है. ओके, नाउ you just listen. I will send it in the group. Okay. One minute. Which opportunity does society provides us? Society provides us opportunities to develop our thinking and emotional capabilities, express our thoughts and emotions, and develop artistic skills. Right? Society provides us opportunities to develop our thinking and emotional capabilities, express our thoughts and emotions, and develop our artistic skills. Okay. You will get the answer on page number 60. Left side paragraph, you know that food वाला उसमें है, और our development जो है इसमें जो second paragraph है, we also have the capacity to think independently, ये जो है उसमें भी है. Society helps in the development of our emotional capabilities. Okay, I will send the answer of this question in the group. Now, what do you think? Answer in 2 or 3 sentences. How is a society formed? Page number 60. Page number 60, last paragraph. What is meant by society? Last sentence. A society is formed when people come together to achieve certain common objective. Okay. But we have to write the answer of this question in 2 to 3 sentences. Okay. तो उसके ऊपर वाला भी sentence लिखना पड़ेगा. Society is not simply a mob or a crowd. You have to write this sentence also. Okay. Next, society is not simply a mob or a crowd से लेके objective तक. Page number 60. What is meant by society? Last paragraph. Huh? Now, why is it necessary to set up a permanent system in society? Why is it necessary to set up a permanent system in society? Answer is given on page number 59 and 60. Okay. But now you just listen the answer. Why is it necessary to set up a permanent system in society? It is necessary to set up a permanent system in society, the society to fulfill the basic needs of the people. Okay. हमारी बेसिक जरूरतें जो है वो पूरी होनी चाहिए. Orderly conduct of the social affairs cannot take place without making provisions for regulation. The very existence of the society depends on setting up permanent systems. Some permanent systems are also necessary for a stable social life. Okay, I will set this answer also in the group. Note down answer. Right now, what makes life in society more stable and organized? See page number 59. Page number 59. Page number 59 में देखो, why did man feel the need for society? उसमें last sentence. Paragraph 1.1 में लेफ्ट साइड में लास्ट सेंटेंस, लिविंग इन सोसाइटी मैन फेल्ट द नीड फॉर द रूल्स टू हेल्प विथ स्मूथ functioning of day-to-day matters. It gave rise to conventions, traditions, ethics and values, rules and laws. Man's life in society became more organized and stable. आपको क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? सिर्फ बिजनेस so that लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके, कहाँ पर लिखेंगे? लॉज के बाद में. राइट. Now next question. If there were no social institutions, If there were no social institutions, what difficulties would we have faced? I will send the answer of this question also in the group. But now you just listen. If there were no social institution, अगर कोई सामाजिक संस्थाएं नहीं होती, तो what difficulties would we have faced? तो हमें कौन सी difficulties face करनी पड़ती? We would have faced the following difficulties. Man would have remained in the nomadic stages, wandering from place to place in search of food. आदमी भटकता रहता है ना, human being in search of food. ठीक है. Man would have remained perpetually insecure and unstable. उससे क्या लगता? Insecure and unstable, अस्थिर और असुरक्षित. Law of the jungle would have prevailed in the absence of rules and regulatory authority. Emotional, physical and physical needs of man would not have been satisfied. उसकी जो emotional, physical और जो जरूरतें हैं, इमोशनल, साइकोलॉजिकल और फिजिकल जरूरतें हैं, वो पूरी नहीं हो पाती. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पर्सनालिटी वुड नॉट हैव टेकन प्लेस, और उसकी पर्सनालिटी भी डेवलप नहीं होती. राइट, दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ द 3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ओके. हाँ, व्हाट वुड यू डू इन द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन? व्हाट वुड यू डू इन द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन? लेट अस सी. Your friend has forgotten to bring something they need in the school. अगर आपके फ्रेंड्स भूल जाते हैं लाना जो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, जो उन्होंने लाना चाहिए, तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में आप क्या करोगे? है ना? You ask them not to worry, use your things, right? अगर वो बुक्स भूल गया तो he can learn the lesson from your book, है ना? Now next. You meet a blind or otherwise handicapped person on the way. अगर आप रास्ते में कोई ब्लाइंड या फिर हैंडीकैप पर्सन से अगर मिलते हैं तो I will express sympathy and help that person to cross the road. आप क्या करोगे? उस पर्सन की हेल्प करोगे, राइट? And I will inquire where he or she wants to go and will accompany him or her to that place. और उनको जहां पर आप उनको जहां पर जाना है आप उनको वहां तक छोड़ दोगे. ठीक है, if possible, अगर आपको पॉसिबल होता है तो. Now next. Here our question answers of lesson number 1, civics. Our life in society is over. Fine. And in the next period, we will learn next lesson, and that is diversity in society. Diversity means what? Diversity means vividita. Okay. Now here our period is over. Bye bye. Take care.